Today I just want to talk about why would you use an interior designer? What's the point? How is that going to help you with your renovation, with your new build, or maybe just with renovating, changing up one room? Probably the most important reason is that it's giving you a unique perspective from someone who's qualified, who's done it many times before. Secondly, and this is really important, is that you need to be able to distinguish between what you want and what you need. So what you want compared to the function of the room. And sometimes this gets a bit lost. You can get very stuck on, oh, I really want this, but it actually doesn't fit the reason for why you're renovating, why you're updating, why you're changing. Thirdly, and this also is very important, an interior designer has a perspective that takes in everything, a holistic, top-down processing approach. And this is also very different to the layperson, where they tend to focus just on one particular thing or a group of one or two things, but not the whole picture. And finally, project management. We are trained to manage these projects, to meet timelines, to fix problems, to work out why things have gone missing, to make sure that things are fixed when they're wrong. This all takes time, but it's part of our job. So I hope you find this helpful, and look out for our next post. Bye.